I started this ride, I could feel the wet, slight dampness in the saddle, because I just washed the bike and I've got this this air mesh cover on the saddle. Oh, here's the park. And so my pants were getting wet. I think it's dry now. All that air that's flowing, beautiful. Keeps my butt cooler. Even this park has got nobody. What's the time? 12:35. Yeah, hardly anybody. But this park has got the Lake Woodlands, and you can rent canoes and kayaks here, or you can bring your own and launch it. So it's a lot of good stuff. Well, let's go down there. See, she's got her board of some kind. Really nice, eh? Experience Lake Woodlands by kayak. Rent. Please do not feed the ducks. There's the ducks over there. The guy's got a little motor on his little inflatable watercraft. But yeah, all of this is connected to the waterway through the Woodlands town center and everything, so kind of nice. I don't know if they allow fishing. That guy looks like he's fishing over there. Huh. All right, let's continue. That's the ramp. Where's the road? There's the road. Okie dokie. Nice little park. I've never stopped here. I've always only ridden through, because normally they're full of people. And but today, not so much. Now we're gonna go over this bridge that is over the lake. Lake is over there and over there. Man-made lake. I think by now the Insta360 original would have cut out by now. So I want to say that it was the camera, because this one still is this one's still recording. I almost let go of my clutch. I'm in first gear. Yeah, this one's still recording and going strong, I think. Some people don't like riding on the interstate. I don't mind. Necessary evil. Just gotta be careful, that's all. Oh, and another thing, I wouldn't buy a bike that does not have effective rear view mirrors. You gotta have good mirrors on a bike before I buy them. Before I buy the bike. And the RS has brilliant mirrors. Brilliant. It's mounted on the cowl, which means it's further away and you can see well behind you. Much better mirrors than the Tracer. Tracer has mirrors on the handlebars. I don't like mirrors on the handlebars. 61 miles an hour. Isn't that something? And there's a lot of merging going on here, so one has to be careful. I need to move over now. You need good mirrors, and you still need to do your over-the-shoulder check. Knew it. He wanted to come over. He started to change lanes, and then he probably caught sight of me. As a motorcyclist, you have to be careful for people changing lanes and then checking whether the lane is empty. Not too far from my office. Office is right there, down the road. switched the GoPro back on as I'm approaching home, and it came back on. So the reason why it probably quit is because it overheated. Because it's recording right now. Oh well. Final thoughts later on.